Welcome back to For the Mariners by the Mariners channel. Protecting a vessel from unwanted visitors starts at the pier, and the most common point of entry for rodents is through the mooring lines, which is why understanding rat guards and their proper installation is vital for every mariner. Rats are not just a nuisance, they are a significant biological hazard that can carry diseases, damage expensive electrical wiring, and contaminate food supplies, leading to failed inspections and heavy fines from port health authorities. A rat guard is a simple but effective circular or conical shield made of galvanized steel or aluminum designed to prevent rats from climbing up the ropes from the dock to the ship. To begin the installation process, you must first ensure that the ship is securely moored and that the lines are at their working tension. Always choose a rat guard size that is appropriate for the diameter of the mooring line being used, as a guard that is too loose will leave a gap that a rodent can easily squeeze through. When placing the guard, it must be positioned at least 2 meters away from the ship side and at least 1.5 meters away from the pier to be truly effective. This positioning ensures that a rat cannot simply jump over the guard from the dock or reach the ship structure from the rope. The guard must be installed with the concave or cone side facing away from the ship to create a physical barrier that is impossible to navigate. Make sure the two halves of the rat guard are tightly bolted or lashed together so there is no space between the plates. One of the most common mistakes is leaving a gap where the rope passes through the center hole of the guard. If the hole is larger than the rope, you must wrap the rope with old rags or specialized tape to create a tight seal before clamping the guard over it. It is also important to remember that every single line connecting the ship to the shore must have a guard installed, including breast lines, spring lines, and even the smallest messenger ropes, because rats are opportunistic and will find the one unprotected path. During periods of heavy rain or high winds, check the guards frequently as they can shift or become loose. If the ship has multiple lines running through the same fairlead, you may need larger specialized guards or multiple units to ensure total coverage. Beyond physical installation, regular maintenance of the guards is required to check for sharp edges or rust that could damage the mooring lines themselves. In some ports, the use of rat guards is a strict legal requirement, and failing to have them properly fitted can result in the vessel being delayed or even banned from cargo operations. By taking the time to install these simple devices correctly, you are maintaining a clean and safe environment for the crew and protecting the vessel from the many risks associated with rodent infestation. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, comment, like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Thank you.